Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm the Chess Nerd, and today we're going to be unboxing a free chess clock that was sent to me by the best chess set ever. Company sent me a chess clock for free that's being released soon. So that's kind of cool. I'm unboxing an unreleased chess product. So I'm super excited to unbox this. Let's see what they're made of. Unreleased chess clock. So last video, somebody suggested I unbox with a cutter, which I didn't know about before. Apparently these exist. They're more efficient to open boxes. So thank you to that person. I am now going to be using a cutter instead of a knife. Wow. Look at this. Super cool. Tempest chess clock, that's the name of the product, but the company is the best chess set ever. So when this video is released, that means that this product is actually going to be on Kickstarter, available for you to invest in it as you do. You chip in money in advance and you'll get a clock. So basically the innovation is that our phone acts as the chess clock. So we will put it in the chess clock itself, and it will be the chess clock for the remainder of the game. Look at that, just like an Apple product. So I guess we would put the phone in here, and it would act as a chess clock. Look at this. That's pretty cool. I am in desperate need of a clock. You saw in my last video, the one where I play chess in public, that clock is like 10, 12 years old, and it's like 2 inches away from collapsing. So this is premium leather apparently. Look at that. How cool. So now it's time to test it out. So this is an example of a chess game with the Tempest chess clock. We'll see how it goes.
Chess Nerd, there we have the channel.